Sultan Ahmad Shah Vocational College, Phnom Penh. I am together with my friend, namely Muhammad Irfan and Muhammad Iman. Introduction. Serum bacterial lactobacillus is a beneficial bacterial culture made by fermenting rice, water and milk. It highly prized in organic farming, gardening and environment maintenance for ability to break down organic waste, suppress harmful pathogens and as a natural fertilizer. For my innovation, serum bacteria is used as plain cultivation to enrich the soil and promote healthy plant growth when diluted and sprayed. Research problem. The world population of 7.6 million people is still growing and expected to reach 8.3 million by 2025 and almost 10 million by 2050. According to different scenarios, global food demand is expected to increase by 40 to 68% by 2025. Two toxic chemicals are extreme hazard because they can poison the body, damage internal organ and contaminate the environment. Direct exposure can occur through inhaled skin contact or ingestion, causing both short-term and long-term effect on your health. How to produce serum bacterial lactobacillus. Step 1. Identify the problem. Step 2. Find the information from journal and website. Step 3. Prepare material and assemble the project. Step 4. Test the project result. Step 5. If unsuccessful, make improvement. Step 6. After achieving success. Step 7. Do the analysis. Step 8. End.
Research objective. The objective of our innovation is that first, lactobacillus bacteria serum can be used as organic fertilizer for the growth of chili plants. Second, low cost compared to using chemical fertilizer. Safe and help to use because it is produced for fermentation process. Production of lactobacillus serum. First, wash the rice with chlorine-free water. Second, store for 3 to 5 days. Cover the bottle with a thin cloth. After 3 or 5 days, 3 layers form. Filter and collect only the middle layer. Thirdly, mix the rice with fresh milk. Ratio 1 part rice, water and 10 part milk. 4. Cover the mixture of rice, water and milk with cloth. Ferment for 7 days. After 7 days, thick milk and lactobacillus serum are formed. Third, filter the mixture to separate the curd. The remaining liquid is the lactobacillus serum. Lastly, mix the serum with brown sugar to extend its shelf life. Store it in cool and dark place. For fertilizer, dilute 2 tablespoons of serum with 1 liter of water and spray want to solve or play? First,
uniqueness and advantage of the products. First, it is easy to use. Second, safe and help to use. Third, chili tree growth faster compared to regular fertilizer. And risk, soil and promote help plant grow. Data analysis, it was found that the initial height of the chili trees was 2 inches. After using up innovation products for 2 weeks, the height of the chili tree was 5 inches. Specification of the innovation products. The ingredient to products serum bacteria bacillus are rice water, milk, distilled water, and brown sugar. The cost to products of innovation is RM20. In conclusion, the serum bacteria bacillus has achieved the result objective, which lactobacillus bacteria serum can be used as organic fertilizer of the growth of chili plants, low cost compared to use chemical fertilizer, and it safe and help to use because it is product by fermentation process. Thank you.